Hey everybody, Brian here from Lock It Up. We have a 2008 Dodge Charger and it had a bad wind module. So we have a wind module here from the company who makes these and pre-codes them with a PIN number. I took the stickers off the box because I don't want my client to know the secret of how this works. So we're going to show you how to program it. So we're going to go to Dodge, a switch up here, and we're going to go to Fabic B, because once these have been changed to the updated, they're always Fabic B. We're going to go program immobilizer, connect. We already know the PIN number because it came with the device. Key is on, and we have the customer wants 2 keys, so that's what we're doing here. We're putting 2 keys in. We'll go to program keys. The PIN code for this module is 4754. Total number of keys 1. Okay, so I put the second key in there, and we're going to type in our PIN code again. And now it shows total number of keys 2. So you can see how easy this is with this process. Typically you would have to have the dealer tool or some other tool to be able to write a new PIN code into the wind module. And with this particular product, you can just buy it. It comes with a sticker on it. It tells you what the PIN code is. The hardest part is taking the dash apart. You have to take the instrument cluster off, but it's not difficult. And once you plug it back in, you have to have new Fabics, and you just follow the prompts on the tester and you're good to go. So there you have it, 2008 Dodge Charger wind replacement via Smart Pro.